In our last episode, Agent Milkencheez froze Valdez the villain with his freeze ray. We ran to notify the authorities, but when we returned, all that was left was a smoking puddle. Could he have survived? Our journey would find us boarding the USS Midway en route to the Farway Islands. Once there, we would deliver the peace plan files to the consulate. Captain Greyeye greeted us as we approached the Midway and then led us to the deck. From here, he took us to the captain's quarters, and we went over the itinerary in the briefing room. I couldn't help wondering why his name was Captain Greyeye. But I would soon find out. The captain showed us to our bunks, insisting we rest. But after what I had just seen, no sleep for me, I'm afraid. The next morning, Milkencheez and I decided to check our bearings. Something looked amiss, so we went to the control room and soon discovered that our heading had been modified. We were sailing straight to Vulture Island. We tried to correct our logistics, but all the instruments were locked. We decided to split up, leaving Milkencheez behind so he could follow the captain and keep me covered. I went on ahead to see if there's a way to get off the aircraft carrier. My hunch was confirmed. The captain was part of a militant group called the International League of Nerf Enthusiast Society, or Illness for short. Soon the captain was right on my heels, but I kept him at bay with my trusty Nerf pistol. He was gaining on me, and I didn't know how long I could hold him off. For a moment, I thought I was caught, but luckily I shook him off and ran for the stairs to the flight deck. Once on the deck, my first priority was to lose my aggressor. I took another shot at him, but my Nerf pistol fell from my hand. While the captain was picking up the gun, I faked left, then ran right, leaving him in the dust. Milkencheez and I were once again together, and I instantly recognized an H3C key. I was quite familiar with the controls, but it would take some time for the start sequence. Luckily, I had successfully lost the captain, who was at the stern of the ship. We had less than a minute to get this bird airborne. We were able to engage the rotors, and within no time, we began hovering. It was a close call, but we were finally on our way, crossing the open waters, heading for the Farway Islands.